Here I've got BLU Vivo Go, and let me show you how to activate and use safe mode on the following device. So at first just tap on power key and hold it for a while, then keep holding on power off icon, and once you see notification about rebooting to safe mode, just tap on OK. And now just wait a couple of seconds until you are in safe mode, in which all third-party applications are deactivated. And now, as you can see, we are in safe mode. Here you've got the notification, and you can use your device with all third-party applications deactivated. You can detect some issues if you have one, and then to switch off safe mode and activate the normal one, just tap on power key and hold it for a while, and click on restart. And within a couple of seconds you will be back in normal mode. And that will be all. As you can see, now you're back in the normal mode and you can use your device with all applications active. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.